Hello again guys, in this quick video, I'll show you how to unsend a message on WhatsApp. First thing that you need to do is just stop or open your WhatsApp application. And from here, in your chats option, just simply tap an individual message. Just for example, this one. And here, just tap a specific message. And after that, press this or tap this delete icon. Okay, then there are options here to delete a message. If you want to delete for everyone, delete for me, or you want to cancel. Okay, we will choose delete for everyone. Then tap OK. And as you can see, we have unsend a message on WhatsApp. Okay, thank you guys for watching. I hope this video helps you a lot, and keep following and subscribe to this channel for more video tips. Thank you guys.